It's drizzling. Good night. My backpack, I just strapped it on there like that. Just put it a rain cover because the sky is not looking great. I don't know if you are aware, but this page has a lot of FPV drone flights from few years back when I used to be active on flying FPV drones, but I stopped, and now that I'm doing this, might as well just bring it back, you know. Skills wise, I'm rusty. I don't know if I still have the same skills that I used to have, but should be muscle memory right now. Hopefully this drone still works. This 2.5-inch Cinewoop with GoPro Hero 11. Can fly decently. This is my Osmo Action 5 right here to get that wheel shot, low to the ground shot, and it's a pretty cool perspective right there. I use the clamp. Everything will be linked down in the description for the Amazon link, including all the gears that I used for today, and yeah, feel free to check them out. For now, let me just chill for a bit. I have a visitor.
I came to look at your setup.
Olivia visited. She surprised me.
I got him cookies.
Wow.
Chocolate.
This is my favorite cookies. Thank you, love. I really appreciate this. This is so cool. We're gonna go there to the ocean. Look!
I'm wearing my slippers. Whoopsie. Oh, looks cool. Look at the look at the waves it made. The sand made ripples here. There's all ripples on the sand from the wave.
But also look at the reflections from the sky. I'll take a picture.
Cannot.
Oh, cool. I have a problem.
Why?
Because Olivia reminded me that I didn't bring any toiletries. Hopefully there's tissue. There's a kookaburra. So, going back home.
I want to get a photo of the moon freeze.
Moon's out. Look at that.
Going back is going to be very dark, and it's a very windy road, so I think I should leave before it gets too dark.
Need to leave. Alright. Alleviation is going back home. Thank you.
Enjoy cooking.
Thank you.
Love you. Bye.
Bye, love you. I'm now gonna cook my dinner. My dinner is just a noodles, so should be easy. Oh, look at that. Lucky I brought my Aperture Tamron Ace 25X, so this will be the light. Oh, there you go. Now you can see. Yep, this is my setup right now. Editing straight away, and yeah. Time check, it's 10 p.m. I have to go inside the tent because it's drizzling. I don't know if you can hear it. Good night. Time check, it is 7:10 a.m. I just missed the sunrise. I mean, I didn't miss it because I saw it, but the shot, you know. I got some FPV shots and hopefully that'll do it.